Samsung, HD Smart, LED TV. This LED TV comes with HD display, with 1366 by 768 resolution, and 50 Hz refresh rate. It has Hyper Real Picture Engine, HDR, enhanced contrast with rich darkness and brilliant light, pure color, HDR10 Plus support, contrast enhancer and micro dimming pro. This smart TV features smart remote with built-in voice assistance, works with Alexa or Google Assistant external speakers, endless content with Samsung TV Plus, access 100 plus free TV channels, web browser, quick remote, mobile to TV mirroring, sound mirroring, wireless TV on, connect Apple devices with AirPlay, and universal guide. It has 2 HDMI ports, USB-A port, Ethernet, RF in and Wi-Fi. It comes with powerful 20-watt sound output speaker with object tracking sound light, Q Symphony, and adaptive sound. Contains LED TV, power cord, 2 batteries, AAA size, and Remicon.